Here we go!
Well, hello there, Paisanos! Welcome back to another video. I'm your host, Mario, and of course, welcome back to another SMG4 reaction video. So yes, everyone, I'm back at the beginning of another reaction video, and this time, I'm gonna be reacting to another Waluigi ARC video. So, in the previous video, but before I do start the video and explain what it is, I want to explain a few things real quick. First off, today's video I'm going to be reacting to is called Mario Saw, and this is kind of like a parody of the game Saw, like Jigsaw. I don't know how deadly this is going to be, but I imagine it's going to be very, you know what I mean? Yes, that's what I'm going to be reacting to. And two, the second thing I want to mention is that in the previous video that I reacted to, which was Mario the Ultimate Gamer, I saw a few comments that said that there was a shadow of Waluigi, like at the part where me and Tari were playing the crane game. I kind of looked around a little bit and I saw him in the bottom right corner, like at my side. If you're all wondering what I mean, for those that did or didn't see him, make sure you check out the original video, Mario the Ultimate Gamer by SMG4, and you'll see what I mean. But besides that, I'm gonna get started on with the video now. But before I do, however, make sure you guys check out the original video down below in the description, subscribe to SMG4, they make pretty good videos. And don't forget to follow my social medias, Twitter, Instagram, Discord, links are down in the description. And let's get started on with the video right now in 3, 2, 1, and play! Alright, here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Mario Saw. Like, and if you're a little bit confused, it's not like I saw something, it's the movie Saw. Like, have y'all ever seen the movie Saw? Like, from the creepy horror movies? I used to watch Saw. It was kind of, I know it was a little bit disgusting and scary, but kind of cool at the same time because of the puppet clown Jigsaw. Anyway, let's get started with the video right now. We got the good old glitchy boy intro, as always, since I like to say that. An SMG4 hat. Oh, there's my face.
Oh, mamma mia!
What happened last night?
Oh, my head.
Wait, was there really a party? Hey, what is this?
What's going on here?
There's a piranha plant on my head?
No.
It does look like ass. And I'm chained up? What is this? Did I get invited to a party? I don't know if I got invited to a party or if what I did in the last video counts as the party. Hey, Luigi! The same thing has happened to him!
No problem.
Mario fans. I'm glad you two are okay, for now. And who is that?
I want to play a game.
You want to play a game, huh? There's the classic, I want to play a game.
Boy.
Yeah, super smash each other.
No. In 30 seconds, those piranha plants will close, killing.
The two of us?
In 30 seconds, those.
Hey, I know what he's gonna say.
Gee, it sure is boring around.
Shut up!
Hey, you know what? I'm starting the timer. Try to get out or you die. Goodbye.
Oh, see you later then, I guess, Mr. Creepy Man. 30 seconds? We got to get out of here! Quick, get those piranha plants off!
No problem.
Smashing your face isn't gonna do anything, genius. We got 18 seconds left!
Oh, yeah.
That will never work, Luigi. We got 10 seconds left. 9. That will never work. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
How you doing?
What is this?
Really?
Are those piranha plants making love?
Babies!
Okie dokie.
That's weird. At least my brother and I survived that, so that's good.
What the hell?
I know, right? That's what I'm like. But we're alive, so that's
Whatever.
good.
Let's just go to the next room.
The next room?
Mario's a king.
Shit.
You just had to say something, didn't you? But who is this? But who is this creepy mask man? And where is he taking us?
Mario!
Oh, that's a lot of death traps. Tunnel of Doom. Hey, that's my line.
Ooh, Tunnel of Doom. Very scary.
Very scary. Yeah. Mario's Tunnel of Doom. Very scary.
Mario's always okie dokie.
That's right. Except there's a thwomp right there. So that's not okie dokie. Nice dodge there, Luigi.
It's a Mario time.
Oh, I'm too fat. I can get through.
Hey, hey, hey! No stopping the pain train!
Oh, here we go. Woo!
Whoopsie doodle!
For real?
My scrotums.
Oh well, that's what happens when you can't fit through.
That was a lots of fun.
That was awesome. But that isn't seeing him on a tiny motorcycle.
Fun? I know I am!
I'm not having fun, this is creepy and bad.
No breaking the rules, Mario!
So who is this mask man? Oh, get wrecked, son! That's right, get wrecked.
Big mistake!
Uh-oh. That's not good.
You really shouldn't have done that. You've just earned yourself the punishment round.
The punishment round? What is that? Where is he taking us? It's bad that this video almost had to be short, but now there's this room? What is this? Is that lava? Is he crazy? What is this?
Welcome to the floor is lava. Each one of you have a button by your feet. Pressing the button will release your shackle, dropping you into the lava. Whoever drops into the lava dies, but makes it so the other person is free to go.
How is that fair?
Time for the true brotherly test. Oh, and the lava is rising, so if you don't make a choice soon, you both die. Have fun!
Screw you, you creep. We gotta get out of here. It's not working. Try something. There's no way we're gonna fall into the lava, right? Because if that's lava, we better get out of here, and fast. What's happening? Wait, what?
Mario.
Luigi? What are you doing?
Ese patapahal na sa
No! Don't you dare press that button! Please!
Okay.
No, please don't do this! I'm nothing without you!
Luigi. Omaratuturo sa rebaro.
Brother, please!
Mario. Thanks. Sorry.
Luigi! Goodbye, brother. I'll always love you. Wait, he's alive?
Luigi.
Wow. Omaratuturo
Wait,
sa rebaro.
that's Kool-Aid?
Oh yeah.
So that's not actual lava?
Good show, everyone.
Oh, you sick bastard!
Wow. Yeah.
Ooh, watermelon. I like watermelon.
Luigi, for your kindness, generosity, and devout love for your brother, you're free to go.
Nice.
I wish my brother loved me that much.
Aww. Wait, brother? Who's your brother?
Anyway, you're free to go. I'm gonna send you to the sewers now.
The sewers?
Mamma mia.
Yeah, well, it's non-negotiable.
Wait, isn't that where the turtles are? Maybe.
Luigi! No!
Forget the Kool-Aid.
Mario!
Brother?
As for you, my fat Italian friend, you get to go to the bonus round.
The bonus round? That sounds interesting. Not. Sorry about that weird glitch. A chair? Oh crap, it's a death!
Mamma mia.
It's a trap chair.
Think this is somewhere.
Shit.
That's what this is.
I want to play a game.
You already said that, you
Nice game
you cuckoo
of-
bastard.
All you have to do is answer this question truthfully.
Never mind if I say
I don't
bastard.
know.
But anyway,
What are you talking about, boy?
Will you be my friend?
that's your
Oh,
question?
you got Mario confused.
No.
What if I said please?
After what you've done? Never.
How much no?
1,000 times no!
Wait, why are you laughing? If he's having a stroke, that'd be crazy. Waluigi! It was him the entire time? You were the You were the... For rejecting me? You were the creepy masked man the entire time? Well, now he's back to his evil form. I hope I get to see my brother again after I get out of here.
What are you doing? I'm thinking you go cuckoo crazy.
He has. I sent 1,000 emails out to the people of the Mushroom Kingdom. So you were the one that sent all those invitations of the party to everyone online? That makes sense.
Waluigi.
Ah, come on!
Oh, I accepted his invitation. That explains the whole party thing with him kidnapping me and my brother.
Waluigi.
Mamma mia.
He does have issues. No, I understand your pain and suffering. Your final form? You're welcome, I guess. Hey, you can't leave me here! Let's see if we will meet again soon, you crazy jacked up paisano. And that's how the video ends, with me being trapped in the chair still? Well, alright, that was something. And I think I get what he meant by his brother, which was Wario. And that's the end of the video, everyone. SMG4, Mario Saw. This was pretty good, actually. Like, I know it was, like, for a second there I thought I lost my brother. By the way, yes, everyone, I do love my brother because he's family, and family is important to me. But I'm glad he's alive, and if he's somewhere in the sewers, then I better find a way to get out of the chair and see him again so he could stop Waluigi once and for all. But enough talk. Let's get back to the studio. Well, that was an interesting video. Like, it wasn't as scary as I thought it was, but it was crazy with some of the death traps, like the piranha plants on our heads, then the tunnel of doom, which was very scary, because I like that catchphrase. I like the phrase when you know, I or you know who says Mario's tunnel of doom. Very scary. I like that one. It's pretty funny. And not only was that, but there was also a pool of lava, which was actually Kool-Aid. And I'm glad it was Kool-Aid, because if my brother was gone, that would be so sad. Because again, I do care about my brother. Anyway, besides that, thank you all for watching this. And I don't know what will happen next with Waluigi, but hopefully I'll be able to reunite with my brother so we can find a way to stop him. Hopefully for good. Or, I don't know, bring him back to normal. If Wario's around, that is. But anyway, now that that's over with, I know it was kind of short a little bit, but I'm trying my best to finish this arc as much as I can so I can move on to a few other Let's Plays, reactions, and I guess let my brother do some of that too. But anyway, without further ado, but yeah, after I'm done with the arc, I might do a little bit of other Let's Plays or something like that, and then I might react to the Bob the Rapper arc series or something like that. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. Make sure you leave a like if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, turn on the bell icon, and leave a comment down below what your favorite part of this video was, or else I will eat your entire box of napkins. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'm Mario, and I will see you on the next video. Bye bye everyone! Yahoo!